Go down. Yes, that is me today. Anyway.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
Okay guys, so this morning I wake up and I decide, okay, let me make some oxtail soup because I have some oxtail inside the fridge. So I say, you know what, let me wash them off with some lemon, some white vinegar, season them up with some complete season, some Maggi season, some garlic powder, some Jamaica Grace browning, and pressure them. So here I have everything seasoned up, so I'm just using my hand to massage the season into the oxtail. You know, make sure every part of it is coated. Yeah, you want all of that season done in it right there. So yeah, and that's it. And let me wash my hands and get right started with this oxtail. So over here I have my small pressure cooker on the fire eating. You see that steam? Yes, that's how you want it. So I'm just going to take my oxtail, woo, and place it inside the pressure pot like so, like that, you know. And I'm going to brown them up a little. Most people will say saute them up a little, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water to cover the oxtail, and I'm going to pressure cooker these baby up. Yeah, yes sir, red cheese oxtail soup it is today for lunch. So you see how beautiful that looks? Yeah, I'm going to leave that alone, let it do its thing by itself, and then in maybe 3 minutes I'm going to start to stir it with the spoon, and then add the cover to it, put some garlic inside it, and yeah, we're good to go. Let's cut a spoon. So as you can see, I'm stirring it up. You know, I using my hand, one hand with the phone, one hand with a spoon, can't manage that. So let me put on the phone and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so inside this bowl I have some pumpkin, some Irish potato, and some carrot. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add it to the pot with the water. I'm going to put some more water to cover it up and leave it boil. Guys, so I have one potato here, sweet potato, the American one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel it and add it to the pot. Okay guys, so the pot starts to boil with all the vegetables inside it. So I'm just going to add the potato to it. So the pumpkin, the carrot, the sweet potato, the Irish potato, all of them can cook together. So here I have 5 heads of garlic, but what I did, I cut it in two, and I'm just going to add it to the pot just like that, and I'm going to leave the garlic boil with the veggies also, so I can get that flavor, the flavor I'm looking for. Okay guys, so the potato and the vegetables are cooked, they're finished to cook, and the oxtail is finished to pressure, and the red beans is finished to pressure. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to assemble them. So I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to take the red beans, and I'm going to add it. 2 of the spoon of beans to the pot, like so. This here. I'm going to take the oxtail, you see that I have pressured, and I'm going to add it to it. So as you can see, I'm draining off the sauce from the oxtail and I'm just adding the meat to the pot. Just like that. And I think this is good enough because I don't think my kids will eat it, but me and baby Felix will surely eat it. And then I'm just incorporating everything together, just like that. It looks like it needs some more water, so I'm going to add some more water to it. About a glass of water to it, 1 glass of water to it. Then I'm going to season it up. So I'm going to add some garlic powder to it. Some complete season. About a tablespoon. A Maggi cube. Crush it inside it. I'm going to add some thyme. To the pot, and some scallion. So I don't know if you guys know scallion, but in my country we call it scallion. Here they call it green onion, but it's the same thing. So I'm going to add that also. I'm going to peel it. Take off the ends. Take off the top also. And wash it. And I'm just going to add it to the pot, break it up like so, and add it to the pot. Then I'm going to store or mix everything together. Ooh, you should see this, guys. And I'm going to add back the cover on it. And meanwhile, I'm going to add about a little bit of spinners inside it. We call it dumpling, but here in St. Martin, they call it spinners. So I'm going to add about 4 or 5 pieces of spinners inside it, and we're good to go. This is how inside of the pot looking right about now. See that? Yes. Okay guys, so inside this bowl I have some cornmeal, a little bit of flour, and a little bit of salt inside it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my hand. I already washed them. Mix it up like this, and then I'm going to add water to it and make it into a dough. Just like that. Until it comes to a dough looking something like this, but more neater. See that? finish. It there, and then I'm going to take a piece like so, and then something on my hand, the flour, do it like this, and then take like so. You can make it smaller if you want. It depends on how you like it. Small, big, same dumpling, round, square, anyhow you want to make it, you make it. At the end of the day, you're making it for your house, you're making it for your family. If you're making dumpling for stranger, always put on a gloves, guys. Always put on a gloves if you're making it for a restaurant or for strangers. But when you're making it at your home for yourself, you don't have to put a gloves because you wash your hands and you know it's you eating it. I never want so much, but already there. Guys, you should see how beautiful this soup look. The soup banging. And the smell. All the time I cook stew oxtail. Today I say, why not make it soup? Why don't turn it into soup, Shakima? So I turned it into soup. And I'm just going to stir it up, incorporate everything together again, just like that. And right before it finishes, guys, I'm going to add some Maggi chicken soup inside it. You don't have to because the soup already rich and it have its flavor and everything already, but I like to put it inside mine, but you don't have to put it in yours. And I'm going to get a little taste to see if it's missing anything. Wow, it's banging. It's so good. Okay guys, this is the soup, the chicken soup. I'm using flavored soup mix from Grace, you know, Jamaica top brand, Jamaica #1 brand. Lasco second, Grace first. Yay. So I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to add it like so to the pot. Just like that. You're missing a pepper, not true guys? Yes, you're missing a pepper. Hold on there. Let me go outside, go get one pepper and come back to drop a pepper inside the pot. You see how we good when you live in the Caribbean, when you can run, go in a back for one pepper and come back and drop it inside the pot? Yes. Okay guys, so look, they're not so big, they're small, but they're still going to give it flavor. So I just to rinse them off and I'm going to drop 2 inside the pot. Just like that. And cover my pot and leave it to simmer down. You know, in next 15 minutes, this done and we're ready to drink it, right? Yes. Guys, I want to show you how inside the pot looking. Look at that. Look. Look how beautiful that is. Look. Yeah. See that? Yes. Okay guys, so the soup is finished. See that? Yes, it's finished. So I'm just going to share me a bowl because I cannot wait. I want the water. And there you go guys. Look at that. My red peas oxtail soup. Make sure you like, share, tell a friend, hit that notification bell for all our newest videos, and to comment below what else you want to see us do. And in everything you do, remember to put God first. And let me taste it for you guys. Let me taste it so you guys can see I tasting it. It's hot. When I tell you it's hot, it's hot. It's boiling hot. It's so good. It's so good. It's when you're greedy and you can't wait for the pot. When you can't wait for the soup to cool down, you drink it, and when you can feel it a burn you go down, yes, that is me today. Anyway guys, bye. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this bowl of delicious oxtail with red bean soup. I'm out.